Hello everyone, I'm Jon. Even though it might not be your birthday today, I will show you how you can treat yourself to a simple and yet delicious cake. Without further ado, let's proceed to the ingredients. We start with the dough by adding flour, vanilla sugar, and baking powder into our bowl. Then we will start to mix them to spread them thoroughly in our bowl. After that we add the eggs, and our oil to the bowl and mix them thoroughly with our hand mixer. While we are mixing it carefully, pour in the carbonated drink in the dough. Once all ingredients are well mixed, get a cake tin of your choice and cover it with parchment paper. Now you can pour the dough mix in the cake tin. Make sure that you equally spread the dough mix in your cake tin to ensure that your cake gets equally baked in the oven later. Next, put your cake dough in the oven under 200 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes. You can check your cake with the help of a chopstick or with a toothpick. After the cake finished baking, let it rest so it can cool down. Meanwhile, we can proceed to the sugar icing. Put the confectioner's sugar in a bowl and add 4 tablespoons of water. Next, stir the sugar with the water until you have no lumps of sugar left. Finally, remove the cake from the cake tin. And cover it with the sugar icing. I hope that you liked the cake and that you enjoyed our little time together. I'm Jon Pabustan from the EBC Bureau of Dortmund, Germany, and we live in interesting times.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to show us some love by liking it and subscribing or following us on all of our social media platforms, including Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. We'd love to hear what you think. So if there's something that you liked or maybe something you'd like to see from us, let us know in the comments and we'll try our best to make that happen. See you later!